All right, so let's look at 5.1 review questions. And this was just perimeter area of predominantly rectangular figures. So for number 1, we've got rectangle ABDF, and we are finding the perimeter of each figure. So ABDF, let me kind of use a highlighter right here. So we're going ABDF. Right, so that's just going to be this rectangle. And so basically I'm going to add up all the sides. We've got 10 plus 15, that's 25, plus another 10. We can assume this is a rectangle, so that's now we're at 35, and another 15, so we should be at 50. That's going to be 50 units. Okay. All right. Number 2, triangle BCD. So let's kind of highlight that, see what that looks like. So BCD is around the top right here. And so we're going to add up all those sides. And that's 12 plus 8, or 20, and another 15. So that should be 35 units. All right. Square EFGH. That is located right here at the bottom, EFGH. And since it's a square, that tells me all the sides are equal, even though they're not marked. So this is 4 as well. All the sides are equal. So if I add up 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, there's 4 of them. 4 times 4 is 16. It's going to be 16 units. All right, pentagon, that should tell me it has 5 sides because I know what a pentagon looks like. Pentagon ABCDF, let's kind of trace that a little bit. So we're going ABCDF, so the whole thing. All right, so, and then that would be back again, back along this side. So we're going to go up, we've got 10 plus 12 is 22, plus another 8 is now 30, plus another 10. This whole side is going to be 10. So now we're at 40, and back along this side, which is 15. So that's 55 units. All right, hexagon ABDEHG. All right, let's look at that one. I'm going to erase a lot of the stuff we put right here. Okay, I'm going to outline that. So we're starting at A, B, D. So we're across here. E, H, G. This one. All right, let's fill in what we know here. So we're going up 10, across 15, so we're at 25. Now we're going down here. Well, here we know this is 4, and the whole side is 10, which makes this side 6. So we're going 25 plus 6, that makes 31. We talked about before, this is 4, that makes 35, plus another 4, that makes 39. And now back, we've got the same kind of deal here. This whole side is 15, and if we take away the 4, that makes this 11. So let's just recap. So we've got 10, 15 is 25, 31, 35, 39, and then back along 11, that makes 50 units. All right, heptagon. Let's see what's going on there. I'm going to use pink again. So we're going to go, for our heptagon, we're going to go A, B, C, D, E, H, G, and then back. Okay? So this is just like our one before, except now we've got that top one as well. So I'm going to start 10 plus 12 is 22, plus 8 is 30, 36, plus 4 is now 40, plus another 4 is 44, plus 11 is 55. 55 units. All right. Find the area of each figure in the square units. So now we're looking at area of them. Okay, rectangle IJKL, that's this whole big rectangle. And so that's just base, which I would call 8, times height, which is 4. So 8 times 4 which is 32 units squared. MNOP, that's a square in the middle, and they tell us it's a square, so those sides are equal. So base and height are the same. 2 times 2 will just be 4 units squared. All right, triangle MNO. Now we learned for a triangle that it's 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, since the base and the height are both sides of the square, they're the same. 2 times 2, and half of 4 is 2. This is 2 units squared. Now the shaded region is like, if we look at this, we've got this big rectangle, which we said the whole thing had an area of 32, and we're missing just a square on the inside, which we said was 4. So we're going to take shaded, shaded is going to be the whole minus the square that's on that in the middle. So we know that's 32 minus 4 for the square, so 28 units squared.